have water in them? Maybe my socks is just wet.
They don't have water in them. They can't have water in them. What's that for, sis?
You want to mess with us? It hurts my hand.
Telecard.
Telecard.
What you doing?
Little mag.
You got your stick? You can't even see you, Callie. Smile.
Sit.
What?
I don't even know how to roll up this stupid thing.
Like that?
I think I just got Callie doing one. Oh, yes.
You making a snow square.
How do I make a ball? Oh. Shit, my hand's cold. Come on, let's roll this baby around the yard. So this is fun. Oh, Callie, look!
Let me see it.
Here, let's come and watch this.
Alright, don't drop that bad boy.
Oh my God.
Let's see that trophy snowball. Get that thing off my... Get you a snowball, Callie.
Well, the birds is about to be dead. Excuse me.
There ain't birds in that thing. Alright.
Hey, sis. Found some birds.
Them ain't birds.
They're frozen, all right.
Say bye, Fud.
Bye, Fud.